In 5 minutes. Okay. What's my mess? I love mess. La la la. What's this?
Oh no!
I was playing
Bonk.
Mess is fun! You know who loves mess? Oh no! Germs! Bacteria on the floor, toys, and even table. Oh, we better clean it up! Then let's clean it up!
Uh-oh, popcorn on the floor. Crunchy mess we can't ignore. Pick it up, one by one. Cleaning time is lots of fun. Scrub it up, toys so bright. Wash them clean with all our might. Splash and scrub and wipe away. Bad bacteria, go away.
Yeah, we're done! Good kids equals clean room! Yes, no mess, no germs!